you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. Pretty nice vehicle. Sustained some damage to the front over here. Looks like it got some damage to the front suspension, fender, bumper. A little damage to the rocker panel. Headlights missing. This side's pretty clean. Bumper appears to be a little offline. Probably just a clip. The roof. Don't see any damage there. Got a little damage to the quarter panel here. Rear suspension. Rear rim. This door is offline a little bit. Take a look inside. Really nice vehicle inside. Fully loaded. Panoramic roof. Let's take a look at the back seats. Got the rear entertainment, folding captain chair, rear AC, seven passenger, rear ducts in the back, got some USB outlets there, and these are power folding back seats. Try and take a look under the hood. As you can see, pretty clean under the hood. No structural damage. Frame rail looks straight. Apron looks straight. Radiator looks straight. Radiator support looks straight. Radiator is holding fluid. It does start and it does drive. This side's clean. No damage to the apron or frame. It's a really nice vehicle. Great builder. I'm going to post it on our website soon. Thanks for watching the video.